Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover access to Roblox Authenticator app. Okay. Let's say, for example, you've lost your phone, you uninstalled the Authenticator, or you wiped out your phone. Well, you got a problem. You don't have the Authenticator anymore. So what do we do? So when you go ahead and log in, you should at least try to use your backup codes. When it asks you for a two-step verification, you was given a 10 recovery codes. And if you want to, if you don't know how to look for your recovery codes, you can check your email, okay? Also, if you still have access to the verified email, just basically select forgot password or email me a code option. Now, if that's not an option for you, well, the last resort right here is to open up your favorite browser and then just go ahead over to Roblox support. Okay, hit on enter, click on this link from Roblox. And then go ahead and scroll down a bit and you'll find I need help with my account. Okay, click on it and then go ahead and find the option. See all articles right here under logging in. Click on it and just select logging in with a one-time code. Okay, it doesn't matter as you'll go ahead and reach out to support. Now you can follow these simple prompts right here. If not, you can scroll all the way down and click on need more help, contact support here. Okay. Now go ahead and enter your username, which is optional by the way. First name, but if I were you, I'm going to go ahead and put as many details as I can in here. Okay, add in your email address that is tied to the Roblox account. Confirm the email, and then the issue details right here. What's the device type? Click on drop down. Are you playing using your PC, mobile, or whatever? Okay. And type of help category right here. Click on drop down. You can just select account hacked or can't log in. Subcategory right here. Lost access to my two-step verification method. Okay. Now, go ahead and add in the description right here. Add in what happened. Okay. Maybe, hi, I've lost my phone. Hi, I uninstalled the Authenticator app, the Google Authenticator app or whatever. Or hi, I've cleaned my phone and I didn't know that it will erase my authenticators as well. Could you please help me recover it? And I would love to re-add an authenticator for my account safety. And then once that's done, hit on continue right here and just wait for about 24 to 48 hours until Roblox replies back. Okay? And after that, you can continue chatting with the support agent. And once done, hopefully you'll recover access to the Authenticator app. You can go ahead and let them know right here that you are the rightful owner. You can give them as many details if they ask. All right. And that is how you recover access to a Roblox Authenticator app. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.